Welcome to my channel. In this class, we are going to see about Python keywords, variables, and identifiers. Okay, do you have any idea about what are keywords in Pythons? Keywords are nothing but the reserved words in Python, and also it has special meaning and it cannot be used as variable names. Okay, what are Python keywords? Python keywords are reserved words in Python and have a special meaning. Okay, it is used for some special purpose also. For example, we have this much of keywords in Python, that is if, else, for, while, true, false, def, return. These all have some special meaning and it is used for some special purpose also. If is used for some condition checking. If statement is true, then that block of statement will be executed. So it has some special purpose. So these words are reserved. So we cannot use these names as variable names. Okay. These are all the total keywords we have available in Python. Okay. Next, what are variables? Do you have any idea about variables? Variables are nothing but these variables are used to store the data. Okay, here one example I have given that x is equal to 10. This value 10 is stored in x. Okay, so these variable names act as a container for storing values. And also a variable in a program is uniquely identified by a name. That is, each variable have its some unique variable name is unique actually. And variables in Python refers to an object in object or an item or element that is stored in memory. Okay. And the value of a variable value of the variable can be number, string, or any combination of alphanumeric character also. Okay. And also we can use an assignment statement to create new variable and assign specific values to them. Here x is equal to 10 we are using. Is it? This assignment operator is must be used for assigning a value to the variable. Okay. Here I have the some variables example. X is equal to I have given 10 and a name I have given the name Praveen. Here I have uh, put one quotes. I have representing the string variable in a quotes. You can use whether it is single or double quotes. The string variable must be in quotes. That is one case you should remember. Okay. And also these are all about the variables in Python. You example program a is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. Print A plus B. What will be the output for this program? Can you guess? Nothing but A and B is adding. What will be the answer? 15. Okay. Okay. Next is what are identifiers? Identifiers are name used to identify a variable function or other entities in a program. Actually, identifiers are names given to variables used to identify data in a program. If we are giving the data that is 25, this data is stored in a variable name called age. This age is an identifier. Okay, clear? This age is an identifier. And we have some set of rules for identifiers. In Python, we should remember these rules while naming an identifier, that is naming a variable. The identifier must start with a letter or underscore. Okay, first rule is what? The name should start with a letter or you can start with an underscore. Second rule is the identifiers can contain letters, numbers, underscore combination, that is alphanumeric can be used as identifiers. Okay. But one thing you should remember is that Python keywords cannot be used as identifier. Python keywords we have already known that I shown one table of keywords. Those keywords cannot be used as Python identifiers. Okay. And also Python identifiers are case sensitive. Age is not equal to capital H. Okay. And we have some special symbols, that is exclamation, asterisk, hash, dollar, percentage, etc. These symbols cannot be used as identifiers. Okay. These are all the set of rules we have in Python. So we should remember that while naming a variable or identifier. These three variable names I have given, these are all valid identifier names. The first is string, that is okay, correct. And the second naming name is starting with the underscore, that is also true. Here alphanumeric, that is also true. Here end with a number, that is also possible to naming a variable. Here I have given four keyword, four names, that is variable names. Can you guess, is there any error, or these are valid or invalid names? Can you guess? These are all invalid identifier or variable names. Why? Because this first variable naming is starting with a number. So this is not possible in Python. Okay. Class is a keyword, and also for is a keyword. These keywords are not used as a variable name, that we have already learned. So these are all the breaking these keywords. These are all breaking the rules. Okay. Total marks. Here, what is the mistake? Can you identify this? Here, the space not allowed in naming a variable. Variable name should be without space. You can make this correct. Okay. These are all the identifier we should learn. So that is, we should remember while naming a variable or identifier, we should remember this much rules. I hope this class is clear. In the next class, we will learn about data types in Python. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.